Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to permanently delete your Gmail account. Whether you are switching to a new email provider or whatever the reason, this tutorial will guide you. Let's get started. First of all, you learn what deleting your account means. You lose all the data and content in that account, like emails, files, calendars, and photos. You won't be able to use Google services where you sign in with that account, like Gmail, Drive, Calendar, or Play. You lose access to subscriptions and content you bought with that account on YouTube or Google Play, like apps, movies, games, music, and TV shows. If you have more than one Google account, deleting one won't delete the others. Alright, let's delete Gmail account. First, open your web browser and tap or click on your profile picture in the top right corner. You can do this by typing Google account in the search bar or directly visiting myaccount.google.com. Here, click on Manage your Google account. Now go to the Data and Privacy section of your Google account. Next, scroll down until you find the option of Delete your Google account. Now, click on it. Now here you need to sign in. Once you've completed the verification by password process, you'll have the option to download your data or delete it permanently. Now here, the option to download the data or delete it permanently will appear. If you want to download your data, then tap on Download your data, otherwise scroll down and check the box. As well as if you want to delete your account permanently and it's all data, then also check the second box. Now, tap on Delete account to delete Google account. Just now your Google account has been permanently deleted. Now if you want, you can also recover the account by clicking on Recover your account. That's it. I hope this guide helped you with deleting your Gmail account. Remember, this is a permanent decision, so make sure it's what you really want before going through the steps. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorial. Thanks you.